I have never come across. Sir has been a guidance in any difficulty. We used to ask guidance from sir. कर दो आपको जो अच्छा लगता है कर लो लीगल फ्रेमवर्क में रहो. He has given a total freedom for STPOs and PIs to work and prove ourselves. And whatever small NDPS case we book or anything we book, and sir was good, kind enough to reward everyone in the raiding team. With these rewards, certificates are really motivating for us, sir. And I first time in my career I got about 15 to 16 certificates. So I'm very thankful, and my PI, my staff, everybody got a certificate, and it is very good to work under you, sir. And I was connected emotionally with sir. It is very hard to express the emotions, but we are in the police department. Our jobs are transferable, and IPS officers' jobs are transferable in entire India. So, but the moment, the time we spent together for almost 1 year, 3-4 months was really cherishable, and it will remain in our heart, and it will, with your that positive vibrations, will be always taking us ahead. Sir always believe in positive vibrations. Sir used to tell, आपका ये महीना अच्छा जाएगा. You know, he believe likes that, and on behalf of everyone, sir, all will speak. Office staff also will speak, but behalf of everyone, sir, we are very thankful to have you here, and we wish you best posting, better posting in your remaining career, sir. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity.
Good evening, friends. Respected SP North, Madam Sulekha, all SDPOs, PIs, office staff, lower staff. My association with SP Nidin sir was initially during the SIT that was formed for land grabbing. I had never met SP sir, but during that period, what I found, initial interaction with sir, I came to know that sir had come out of a very deadly sickness, and I was interacting with sir. But the positivity that sir showed us gave us a lot of confidence that no matter where you are and what has happened, it is for you to fight and come out. This was one of the best qualities I liked in sir. I had a lot of interaction with him, and I was very happy to know that sir could endure all this. One of the best qualities of fighting spirit in a human, in a police officer. Most of us, when we get into this, it is but natural we would go into depression or some other thing. And another thing what sir told me was he learned Konkani at that time, and we used to mostly try and speak in Konkani. It was, I mean, I have served under a lot of IPS officers, and very few who made an effort to learn Konkani, although being posted here for much longer time and having come here for 1 or 2 occasions. Sir, working with you was a wonderful experience. I've learnt a lot, and certain qualities that I would always say that I've never seen you get excited or lose patience. Maybe sometimes. Otherwise, you were always, sir was always a very cheerful character. In spite of all the work and holding 2 important positions as SP Crime and as SP North. Very few instances would have come where sir was in a mood that he would think of scolding somebody or punishing somebody. Sir has led from the front. Sir, most of the times when transfers are a part of police life, that is expected. But sir, most of the officers that have gone out of Goa are always welcome back to be in Goa. And we would like to have you as a bigger rank, sir, in Goa Police. On behalf of all of you, I wish Nikhil Vansan sir the best. God bless you, sir. Keep you in good health. And may all your dreams come true. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. Yesterday I already gave a speech about sir, but just few words to sum up. Sir has worked in crime branch and north simultaneously. Both the charges were held by sir, and he was successful at both the places. He achieved what is more than expected, I think, from the people of Goa, from the officers also. He has worked so much that people of Goa will always remember him. An officer with a human touch. He is called an Iron Man, but he is very soft from inside. That's what Braj sir told. He must have never scolded anyone. That is okay. We are happy that senior is not scolding us. But sir had a different technique of doing the work. He used to be happy what Juba sir told. And he used to say goodwill gestures were helping us. Most of the time, all the cases, heinous crimes reported during sir's tenure, as well as in crime branch, all cases are detected. And sir will go with a clean sheet that yes, all my cases are detected. I wish all the best of health, and I wish the next time sir returns back to Goa as IGP or DGP, we will have definitely chance to work under him. That is God's wish. Thank you, sir.
स्टाफा भितर कोण उलोवपा आसल्यार उलया मातशें.
I think Jatin should speak.
लास्ट बाकीचे कोण उलोवपा कोंकणी हिंदी खंयच्याय भाशेन उलया नो प्रॉब्लेम.
आमचे कितें आहा तें एक्सप्रेस करा.
यू कम.
No, she always.
Okay. Proceed.
कवर.
Once again, I hope everybody spoke. And being a reader, I would like to tell about sir that I have spent 1 year to 3 months and 8 to 10 days, I suppose. So it was very expensive. Learned a lot from sir, and there are many things I like to tell, but time is also less, and I think it is better I should not talk more. Sir knows all those. I would like to request Sanjay to speak.
So, we have been here since last 1 year. Sir was very helpful to us. Firstly, for giving us the premises to use. He has been very cooperative. Whatever support we required, we received from him. Also from HDP Paroli. Thank you, sir, for your service. Couldn't work under you, but I'm hopeful it will be posted here lately, and I will get the opportunity to work under you, sir.
Nikhil, you know this guy, Nikhil? Nikhil, क्या पूरा नाम क्या है? होमकार. Nikhil Homkar is a home guard. अभी क्राइम ब्रांच में ना. He actually what? पहले कौन से एज में आए थे? At the age of 24, he got mouth cancer. If you can see his face. इसके एज 24 आप इमेजिन करो. 24 में उसको माउथ कैंसर हो गया. 24 में फिर माउथ कैंसर से निकल के आया. फिर लास्ट ईयर फिर दोबारा आया. जब मैं कैंसर से लड़के आया Then again he had cancer. जब मैं पहली बार जब मिला था ये मोटा था, almost मोटा मतलब compared to this size, he was very healthy. And कैंसर में जब ये कैंसर हो जाता है तो you lose weight and all. He again got cancer in at the age of 35, almost like 11 years. So what I want to say, like, see, now I have also gone through something bad. There is another chance, like I have to go through it. तो लाइफ में ना मतलब हमेशा whatever it is, लाइफ में हमेशा तो कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ तो सबके जिंदगी में होता है. So whenever I read these suicides and issues, I feel very bad. In fact, just wanted to tell everyone, this mental जो है ना, जो आपकी ब्रेन है, ब्रेन और आपकी थॉट्स जो है ना, वो आपके कारण नहीं है. इट इज बेसिकली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कनेक्शंस है. वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, इट इज ऑल इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शंस. आप इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शंस को, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को जिस तरीके से आप लेके जाते हो उसी तरीके से वो भी लेके जा सकते हैं. तो थोड़ा एफर्ट डालना पड़ता है. तो इट इज लाइक अवर मसिल ओनली. यू वर्कआउट जैसे इसके जैसा मसिल बन जाएंगे. ठीक है, वर्कआउट नहीं करेंगे तो कुछ नहीं. जैसे ये परेश डेली फुटबॉल खेलता है, ही इज अ वेरी गुड स्पोर्ट्समैन. दिनेश भी वर्कआउट करता है. तो इट्स अप टू लाइक हाउ यू वर्कआउट, योर बॉडी विल रिस्पॉन्ड. सेम थिंग इज विद द ब्रेन ऑल्सो. तो जिंदगी में जब गड़बड़ होता है तो गिव अप मत नहीं करना चाहिए. ठीक है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बिकॉज फॉर यू वॉन्ट बी एनीथिंग, बट फॉर अदर्स यू विल बी लाइक द होल वर्ल्ड. तो कभी भी ऐसा कुछ ऐसा लगे तो आपको ऐसा लगे कि आप डिप्रेशन में हो, यू आर फीलिंग वेरी सैड, आप लोगों को साइकोलॉजिस्ट या साइकेट्रिस्ट को कंसल्ट करना चाहिए. और उसमें आप लोग कभी बुराई नहीं सोचना चाहिए. दिस इज द राइट. मतलब अभी जो मेंटल हेल्थ है, अभी जो आज लास्ट 5 साल पहले तक तो फिजिकल हेल्थ में ध्यान देते थे कि ब्लड प्रेशर, शुगर, डायबिटीज ये ना होना चाहिए. बट अगर आप देखे जाए, इससे भी ज्यादा, सबसे ज्यादा इस धरती को, सबसे ज्यादा ह्यूमन बींग्स को जो इश्यू हो रहे वो है एंजाइटी एंड डिप्रेशन. वो आपको दिखता नहीं है, आपकी फेस में दिखता नहीं है, आपके बॉडी में दिखता नहीं है, बट इट इज गोइंग थ्रू इन योर माइंड. सो इफ एट ऑल एनीबडी इज हैविंग दोज इश्यूज, इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग अप, you should try to take it as a issue, as a small disease, and should take the help of a psychologist and psychiatrist. Well, as a person, I have undergone this because of the life experiences. So, I just wanted to say कि randomness in life. See this guy. देखो 24th एज में आ गया, फिर 10-11 साल के बाद दोबारा आ गया, दोबारा ऑपरेशन करना पड़ा, दोबारा को हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट करना पड़ा. I had visited him. And his body has become very weak. In between he married. Now he's got a kid also. ना बच्चा भी हुआ. Now he's come back to life and now he's leading a good life. So these things like ups and downs, जैसे चिपा ने बोला, these things are quite frequent in life. My life itself is like a biggest example. So everybody should endure in life. कभी भी कुछ issue होता है, you should never give up and tackle it. Don't take issues or problems as problems. Take it as challenges which can be solved. ऐसा कोई problem नहीं है जो solve नहीं कर सकते. And I am saying this, mental health is the most important health. जैसे I will not like to quote, फिर भी I will take जैसे जतिन को मैंने देखा है, वो जब प्रमोशन के टाइम हुआ था, he was getting very upset. That was not required. ठीक है, सैड होना, ये होना ठीक है, बट अपसेट होके उसमें आप यू गेट इनटू वो ये करना, दैट इज नॉट गुड. सो दैट टाइम यू शुड टेक द हेल्प ऑफ द पीपल. आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोल के मदद लेना चाहिए, या फिर यू शुड टॉक टू ए साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड गेट योरसेल्फ कॉग्निटिव थेरेपी. उसमें आप लोगों को कोई सोचना नहीं चाहिए कि मतलब कोई लोग बोलेगा मेंटल है, पागल है, ऐसा नहीं. बिकॉज मैं देख रहा हूँ हमारा पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में सबसे ज्यादा जो डेलिक्वेंसी है, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ मेंटल इश्यूज. कि डिप्रेशन में चले गया, ठीक है, कि दारू, अल्कोहलिज्म इज समटाइम्स जेनेटिक ऑल्सो. देयर इज अ प्री डिस्पोजिशन फॉर अल्कोहलिज्म आपकी गलती नहीं है. समटाइम्स इट इज प्री डिस्पोजिशन. देयर इज अ वे in which you can get out of alcoholism. I am a master's in psychology. There are studies which says that alcoholism has got some connection to DNA, some genetic predisposition है. क्योंकि सब लोग अल्कोहलिक नहीं बनते. Some people become alcoholic because there is a genetic predisposition and you can come out of it. So all these issues, we should actually address it in a very positive manner and try to have a good life. When we have a good life, we will be able to spread positivity to other people. जब तक हम अपने आप को हेल्प नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम किसी दूसरे को मदद कर नहीं पाएंगे. जैसे गांधी जी ने बोला था, व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे ए पुअर you can help a poor person. It is like not being yourself poor. अपने आप को poverty से आप निकाल दो. Then only you will be able to help others. तो अपने आप में भी जो कमी है, mentally जो कमी है, physically जो कमी है, उसको आप निकाल दो. Then you will be able to help others. And my tenure in North District was extremely good. I had a very wonderful administration staff. ठीक है, काफी I had so many plans. मैं काफी support किया. इनफैक्ट ई ऑफिस लॉन्च करना वाज माय ड्रीम. ई एचआरएमएस लॉन्च करना. ई ऑफिस भी इनिशियली स्टार्टेड, हमने 2-3 फाइल्स भी हमने ई ऑफिस में कराया था. अगर मुझे 1 साल और टाइम लगता तो मैं ऑलमोस्ट ऑल फाइल्स आई वुड हैव मेड ई ऑफिस. और ई एचआरएमएस भी हमने 99% काम कराया था. बट इट इज अ बिग Herculean task. You can carry forward those things. ठीक है, it's like wonderful system. So उसमें भी मुझे काफी सपोर्ट मिला. काफी एब्सेंटी रिपोर्ट्स था which was pending for quite a long time. अप्रेंटिस जो बच्चे आए, उन्होंने सब लोगों ने मेहनत करके जो एब्सेंटी रिकॉर्ड्स जो पेंडिंग था सब क्लियर किया. एंड आई हैड अ वेरी वंडरफुल टीम ऑफ पीआई इंस्पेक्टर्स, कंट्रोल रूम एंड ये जो अकाउंट्स में जो स्टाफ है, मतलब आई विल रिमेम्बर everybody and some names with very special, just like Vienna. Then Patil, Jatin, they were very capable officers. Because I have seen कि DCP ऑफिस या नॉर्थ ऑफिस जब स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है तो SP या DCP को स्ट्रेस लेवल कम होता है. तो when you have a staff who are working very hard to solve the problems coming to the level of SP will reduce. In that way I have seen everybody, all the inspectors अपने लेवल पे जो भी issues है वो पर्सनली इंटरेस्ट लेके सॉर्ट आउट करते थे. ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं कि मतलब इंस्पेक्टर एरिया में हो, इंस्पेक्टर को प्रॉब्लम के बारे में पता नहीं हो. जो भी बीच में जो भी एक्शन हुआ, वॉट एवर इट इज, देयर आर अदर रीजंस आल्सो. सो आई हैड अ वेरी वंडरफुल टाइम. आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक एवरीवन. इट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ यू. आई हैड अ वंडरफुल टाइम एंड आई एम गोइंग टू दिल्ली. सो आई विल शेयर माई पर्सनल नंबर. आप लोग कभी भी दिल्ली में आता है, दिल्ली में कुछ भी हेल्प चाहिए, कभी भी मिलना है, प्लीज, आई एम ऑलवेज रिंग अवे. प्लीज रिंग मी एंड प्लीज मीट मी and I hope we will get a chance to work again in the future. Thank you. Thanks again.
जैसा ये सांगले आता, जैसे मैंने बोला अभी कि कहने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, but we also have some time limit. And sir, on behalf of Reader Staff Office, SP North, we have some token of love for you, sir. So you would like to transfer to please? It's a reader office from Slam Friends of the also.
आता हे राजेश होणार आहे.
आवाज झाले?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
By the time I would like to request all the staff, please.
सगळं राजा करायला. चला येतात. गाणे गाणे गाव. चला सगळं होतात ते. जतीन पण चला. आपसे भाषण हे घडीवर माझा विषय घातलो ना तू येलो म्हणून ड्युटी डायरेक्ट तुला नाही जाता सांगायचं ये फाल्या सगळ्या गव्हर्नर काय फाल्या मीटिंग तू त्या मीटिंग
परत घेतली ना तीच बॅट इनफ इनफ
तू घे म्हाका बंद करूया
कशी म्हणतो बंद जायन म्हणतो ते ऑटोमॅटीक आसा
आम्ही एका ऍडमिना डिलीट केली अरे त्याका वसात जाते आणि रिपोर्ट सब कंप्लीट हो गया ना
येस गले गले Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
ट्रान्सफर